Um, I finally got the will to make another video, so I'm hopping on the trend train and I'm going to be reviewing a fidget cube. Now, I bought one from Barnes & Nobles. It's really expensive, by the way. It was $10.39. In Barnes & Nobles, it's actually called the Fidget Block. That may be backwards, but I don't know. It says it's a stress relief fidget block. Work, class, home. It has the same thing, but actual color. You see that? It's different from other fidget cubes. It says you can click, spin, flip, glide, roll, and breathe. I got this arousing color, so let's unbox. Alright, it comes with a little pamphlet. Breathe, say goodbye. It's not like say, like bye, like B-Y-E. It says B-U-Y. It says, say goodbye to stress. The design of this face is inspired by traditional worry stones, tools used to reduce anxiety while rubbed. Roll. The greers, it actually says greers. G-R-E-A-R-S. And ball on this side are all about rolling movements, with the ball sporting a built-in click feature. Spin. Looking for a circular fidget block? Take this dial for a spin. And dial and 4 are mashed together. Click. No need to click that pen anymore. You'll find 3 clicker with the 3 and click matched together clicker buttons and 2 silence buttons on this side. Those words are matched together. Designed to satisfy the clicker in each of us. Glide. You don't have to be a gamer to enjoy it only has TH. Unusually satisfying gliding action of the joystick. Flip. Pivot the switch if you're looking to fidget block silently or quickly them together for a more audible click. I think the pamphlet is pretty good. It's not well written, but it smells pretty good. It smells like new carpet. Alright, so I get this feel. So we have a clicker. We got this thing. Click it down. We got the button thing. Two are silent. The gears, they're actually not working. The ball. And the worry stone. I'm not really a fan of this this fidget cube right here. I'm not really a fan of it, but you know, it's pretty good for beginners. Not that good, but you know, a little great, I guess. Overall, I think the fidget cube trend is not that great. I mean, at Barnes & Nobles, they said that they sold out of fidget spinners in a day, and they sell out of like a full tray of fidget cubes because fidget cubes are forgotten. But I guess the fidget cube sounds pretty good. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, guys, I'll see you next time.